mushroom snacks. The ingredients are mushroom, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, paprika, garlic brown, Japanese MSG. So first, you know that there are two types of mushrooms. Chanela. This is shiitake. This one is what? Portobello. The portobello has black spots here, like this. And then the shiitake doesn't have white spots. It is like this or this. Then the teeth is white for shiitake, and for what? Portobello is black. But I have a question. Why do mushrooms have teeth? You mean we destroyed their homes? And then these things are homes for elves and dwarfs. So we actually eat their homes. It's a disaster for the elves. So they have to find a new mushroom to live in. Or maybe they switch to tree stumps. Oopsie. These things don't feel good on the hands. Watch your belly, smelly. These one, to be honest, you be careful with their smell. These are actually wild ones. These actually are from the wild, which they are washed, and then they are put here, and then they are put in the supermarket, or even 3, 6, 8, 9. 3, 6, 7, 8. Sabi mo 9. 1 more. This one. Boop.
Oh no!
Now we have to put garlic. Now, nalagay ko. In fact, monsters are scared of garlic. Which garlic doesn't smell good? It will make it taste like put 1 cheese each. The big one we put Tashana. Tapos, and then we put 1 more cheese. 1 more cheese. 1 more cheese. Oops. One more cheese. One more cheese. Thank you, Tita Tingle, for the cheese. And then we put some more paprika. And then air fry it for 20 minutes. See you later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Be brave, stay well. See you on our next adventure.